Hello students, myself Bhagyashree Halankar. You are going to learn Variation in Flowers Part 2 in module number 19. This module is from Unit 1, Morphology of Angiosperms. The outline of the module is Variations in Flowers based on the insertion of floral whorl units. Variation in flowers based on the number of floral whorl units and example of plants showing variation in flowers. At the end of the module, you will learn to explain the terms referred for the flower based on insertion of floral whorl units and number of floral whorl units, and cite examples of plants showing variation in flowers. Let us study about the different terminologies used for the flower based on different criteria. In a flower, the floral whorls are arranged on the thalamus. The thalamus is a swollen portion present at the tip of a pedicel. The insertion of floral whorls varies depending upon the relative position of their units with respect to the ovary. Similarly, the number of floral units present in each whorl also shows a variation. So, based on the floral whorl insertions and position of ovary, there are different terminologies used for the flower based on the floral whorl insertions and position of ovary. These includes the hypogynous flower, perigynous flower and epigynous flower. You can find out whether the flower is hypogynous, perigynous or epigynous by taking the longitudinal section of the flower. In hypogynous flower, the ovary occupies the highest position on the thalamus. The other floral whorls, that is calyx, corolla, androecium, are present inserted successively below the ovary on the thalamus. Since the ovary occupies the highest position on the thalamus, the ovary is called as a superior ovary, whereas the other floral organs, that is calyx, corolla, androecium, are said to be inferior. The example of plants which shows this hypogynous type of a flower are Solanum melongena, that is brinjal, Hibiscus rosa sinensis, that is shoe flower, and Brassica campestris, that is mustard. The second type of a flower is perigynous flower. In perigynous flower, the thalamus grows upwards around the ovary to form a cup-like structure. The other floral whorls, that is calyx, corolla and androecium, are inserted on the rim of the thalamus. Because of this, the ovary, calyx, corolla and androecium are in same plane. Here, the ovary is said to be half superior. The example of the perigynous flower is Rosa species, which is commonly called as rose. The third type of a flower is epigynous flower. In epigynous flower, the thalamus grows upwards, completely encloses the ovary and fuses with the ovary. The other floral whorls, that is calyx, corolla and androecium, are inserted on top of the thalamus. Since the position of the ovary is below the other whorls, the ovary is said to be inferior, whereas the other floral whorls are said to be superior. The example of the flowers which shows this type of a condition are Psidium guajava, that is guava, Cucurbita species, different types of gourds shows epigynous flower, Punica granatum, that is pomegranate, and Helianthus species. The flowers also are differentiated based on the number of floral whorl units. In a flower, the number of floral whorl units present in each whorl is same, or one whorl is multiple of that of another. Based on the number of floral whorl units, there are three kinds of flowers: pentamerous flower, tetramerous flower and trimerous flower. In pentamerous flowers, the floral units are 5 or in multiples of 5. The example of pentamerous flowers are Cucurbita species, Vinca rosea, which is commonly called as periwinkle, and Hibiscus rosa sinensis, that is shoe flower. The second type of a flower is tetramerous flower. Here, the number of floral bulb units are 4 or in multiples of 4. The example of the flowers which shows this type of a condition are Ixoria coccinea, commonly called as Kamini or Pitkoli, Brassica campestris, that is mustard, and Nymphea species. In case of Ixora coccinea, there are certain varieties which shows pentamerous flowers also. The tetramerous and the pentamerous flowers are found in majority of the dicotyledonous plants. The third type of a flower is a trimerous flower. In case of trimerous flower, the number of floral bulb units are 3 or in multiples of 3. Trimerous flower is a characteristic feature found in most of the monocotyledons. The example of trimerous flowers are Rio discolor, Cocos nucifera, which is commonly called as coconut, Crinum species, and Hedychium coronarium. In case of certain dicotyledonous plants, the flowers shows trimerous condition. The example of a dicotyledonous plant which shows the trimerous condition is Annona reticulata, Annona glauca, etc. These are the references which are being used to prepare the module, and thank you.